Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and this time you can see it's in VR. Yeah. Today we're playing Five Nights at Monkey's, a Gorilla Tag and FNAF Help Wanted or FNAF fan game, so yeah. Gorilla Tag and FNAF fan game. And that reminds me of that one level in Bone Lab. On YouTube.
Not like that, I just...
Nope. Oh yeah, here we go, night one.
Get pissed!
Whee! Fourth time ever playing this. Well, I can't see anything that normal. Black screen.
Hello?
Oh,
Is this on?
here we go.
Okay. Hey there,
Battery
welcome
life,
to First Day on the Job. This is
99%.
pre-recorded message that will explain
We
a
all
few
might
things
die
about this
before
job.
that does.
So let's get into it.
12
The job is
a.m.
simple. All you need to do is watch the
Gotta-
cameras, and if anything tries to get you, just close
It
the door by
appears
pressing
I
the red
am
button.
in
To
forest.
open the door, press the green button. Make sure not to have
Oh,
the
no,
door closed
hold
for too
on,
long,
no,
since
never
you have a
mind.
limited amount of power, aka battery.
No
I don't
light?
know really what to call it.
Okay,
You
this is a
can
little
call it
confusing.
whatever.
I cut you
Is
off.
that everything? Oh yeah.
Mm.
Every night you will be in different locations. The first night, which you've just started, will take place in forest.
Oh, okay.
Also, there are some things
Where
that
they at?
like to lurk
Where they
in
at?
the forest. I'm not really sure what they are,
Well,
but if you see
I want to cut on the
anything
light,
looking at you
not
through
the
the window,
door.
then quickly hide under the table. Anyway, good luck.
That appears to be the door. Do I not have a light? Do a flashlight somewhere? What am I supposed to do? This chicken leg, save me! Ah. What am I supposed to do?
Hey there, this is pre-recorded message. Detectives after
take
the
that.
little snowman is
I
not
don't
in his
even know who
original
you are.
spot. Please
What?
find it before it's too late.
What? How am I supposed to? What am I supposed to do? This is a weird game. Okay. Can you let go of me? I punched you in your life. You can't see that though. Oh well, I guess I'm just stuck like this for the end of eternity. Did I do something? Something over here. Can you stop that? Okay, I'm gonna give you 5 seconds, and then you gotta get off my screen, okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, half a second. Okay, 0. I can't punch you.